In campaigns, let's see how to create and send an SMS campaign. Before sending, let's check all the required settings. Go to Settings, click the Sender ID button, click Add Sender ID and enter the registered sender. Here in India, only the DLT approved sender ID and header name needs to be added. If you haven't registered on DLT, then please do that first. Select the route. The routes are based on your type of messages. Transactional is for sending transaction-related messages like updates, feedback, debit-credit messages, etc. Promotional is for sending promotion-related messages like offers, coupons, discounts, etc. OTP route for sending OTP or system-critical messages. Now, select the country in which you want to send the messages. In this case, it's India. Once done, click Save. Now go to Templates, click on Add Template, enter the template name, assign a tag or set visibility if needed, or select the sender ID. If it's India-based, then you need to add the DLT template ID and DLT entity ID. Enter the same DLT registered template here, which got approved, and click Save. You can also bulk upload all your templates in one go. Click on Upload File, download the sample file and add your data under respective fields like header names, route names, DLT template ID, DLT entity ID, and template content. Then click Save. Now just upload the file and it will load all your templates in one go. Once all setup is done, let's send the campaign. Click the Add Campaign button, select SMS, enter your campaign name, and select the route like transactional, promotional, or OTP. It will show you all linked sender IDs with that route. Select the sender name and audience information to whom you want to send messages. You can choose your audience from multiple options like collection. You can choose the collection type and filters. You can also create your own segment based on certain conditions from here. You can type the number here or copy-paste number in bulk. If you have a CSV file, you can import the file. Don't forget to add the country code along with the number if you are sending messages to multiple countries. All options support bulk traffic. Select your target audience and then click on the Save button. Now enter your text message here, or you can choose from your approved templates. It will show you only sender ID link templates to select. Click here to check the message count. Note that if you send a smart link-based campaign, it will consume an additional 10 characters. If sending customized or personalized file-based messages or list-based messages, it will depend on the size of the actual message when sent. You can schedule it or split it into batches. For example, if you are sending 25,000 SMS, you can divide it into 5 batches of 5,000 each and select the time difference between the batches, if needed. Send messages as a flash. This depends on the user's handset if supported. Once you have filled in all necessary details, click on the Send Campaign button and your campaign will begin. That's it. Start reaching out to millions now. We hope you like Zixflow. Do reach out to our support team if you get stuck anywhere in the process. We are here to help. Our team is very responsive on support chat. Thank you.